Alright, I know this video is completely random, but this TV is annoying the heck out of me, and I gotta talk about it. So, I'm getting this message all the time about low on storage while I'm just like watching Twitch, watching people play Plate-Up and stuff. So, I go over here to remove apps, and it'll show me like how much space is on the TV and everything. So, actually, it won't. I think I have to go through settings to do that, to be honest with you. So, let me go ahead and do that. By the way, so this is an Amazon Fire TV from Toshiba. And got it for super cheap. It's a 55-inch, and I don't think I'd ever buy it again. I think I'd just pay a little bit extra to not have a stupid Fire TV. But here we go to manage installed applications. As you can see, it is running out of space. Has apparently 4.2 gigabytes available. Most of that's being used up. I did end up plugging in a flash drive because I do have one game on this that I got, so had to buy a flash drive and kind of get all that going there. So the thing that's the issue here, you go to manage installed applications. Here's all the applications, which you can see real quickly. There's really not any big ones. Like the biggest one is really Netflix. And I use all these applications. This is like the Jackbox Party Pack 2 that I have. But, other than that, they're all just like fairly small applications, 40 megabytes, 108 megabytes. A lot of these you can't even delete. Freebie, you cannot delete. And supposedly, like, you're supposed to be able to, like, move some applications over. Like this, you can move to internal storage. But the vast majority of these, like Twitch, can't do that. YouTube can't do that. It's just ridiculous. Like, I'm not going to install, like even like certain apps like Freebie, I don't use it. I can't uninstall it. And then, there's the option for clear cache, but then you see the cache is 0 bytes. So, absolutely awful. If anybody's looking at a Fire TV, I would advise not getting one. Like, most of these are applications that are built into the TV. And if you add all these up, there's no way this is 4 gigabytes. It's maybe 2, maybe. It's not even that much. So, I know it's a completely random video. Trying to keep warm over here. It kind of cooled down a lot, but holy moly, dude. I freaking hate this TV. Love my cat, though. He's a cute little kitty cat. That's right, Papa. But, yeah, if you guys are looking at a Fire TV from Toshiba, or I think there's another brand that makes them too, steer clear. You only get 4 gigabytes of data on it, and even if you have 2 gigabytes of data on there or less, it gets full. So, absolutely awful. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this random video. I guess it's a review of this TV. Don't buy it. It's cheap, but just pay like $100 extra for something slightly better.